So you are gonna shift manually, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think I said it already.
Okay. Manual without clutch. Okay. Just like.
Yeah, without clutch.
Oh yeah, that car is fast.
Oh, I have the R class. That's why I'm
Oh
so
yeah,
far
you're
ahead of you.
flying.
Oh no, I need to stop messing around with this thing.
What?
Like my grip for playing FPS kind of messes up my driving.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Time penalty is 0.5 seconds.
Oh, I still get penalty.
It's a nice track though.
Oh yeah, I love Bathurst. Especially these chicanes, right?
Oh no! Oh
Oh,
no! I'm stuck.
I forgot to warn you about that last corner.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to catch up. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Again? But there was no corner over there. Watch out for this fast right, okay? You might get stuck, you might go flying outside. So slow down before the turn. And then there's
Oh
another
no,
tight
this
one.
did not work out well for me either.
That is what I was warning you about. But you can catch me in this long straight. Once you turn that corner, you're gonna catch up pretty quickly.
Lap are we on? Second lap.
Yeah. Same as you. But you can handle the rain alright, right? It's not too slippery or
Yeah,
anything.
not too bad.
Yeah. As long as you have wet tires, it should be okay. I don't know what tires you put.
Oh no, I went off the sand here again.
Oh, you clipped a corner?
Yeah, I guess I just need to get a hang of the
Yeah, it's not so
driving.
hard
Oh,
actually, you know. Bathurst is pretty easy. Even those corners that look like they're very tough, it's pretty easy.
it's the tires are. If you hit the tire, that's it. You cannot get out of it unless you reverse.
Yeah. So you know what tires you picked?
Tires are fine.
But is it wet tires or are you on sport tires or something?
I didn't choose it. Must be the default one.
Or default one? Maybe that Porsche can handle wet pretty good, I think. But if you're in a muscle car or something like me, then you can't handle it. The rear end kicks out like crazy.
Are you still? Oh, it's over. Okay. Guess I'm quite a bit behind here.
Yeah, I'm in the final lap.
You're not done yet, are you?
No, not yet. There's still a little ways to go. This cross wiper is not that quick, but it handles very well. It's very stable. Now I'm gonna end the race. This lap is 2.24. Let's see if you have a fast speed. So,
Oh, Raymond is calling me. Hang on.
so should we quit and go play
Hey,
again?
man. Hello? Yeah, you there? Oh, okay. Yeah, we're just finishing this race. 2 minutes. 2 minutes will be there. IK there. IK, you this race is not ending, huh? Oh no, it's third lap. You must have done the long race.
Yeah, it is a long one. It's not a short.
Alright, yeah.
There
Oh
is
man,
no
he's
short
60
in Bathurst.
seconds. He's 1 minute ahead of me. This is IK. Oh
That
wait,
is
I
because
was
you
right there.
crashed, man. You were pretty
Okay,
quick
I
right in
finished.
the
We
beginning.
finished.
You just need to learn how to control the
Okay,
corners
fine.
without crashing, and then you'll be fine.
Hey, what was your best lap? Is
2.24.
24 minus 47. Okay.
Yeah.
So like
The,
20 seconds.
yeah, only because you crashed, right? Otherwise, had you finished the lap without crashing, I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure you would have been fast.